Alka the king? And that more ask, you know. So now that Alka sell out that show there in England, is he the king? Can we see people that give her this king?
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People, you don't know now. Yeah man, you don't know Media Fox man, you see me? Yeah man, you don't know I'm comfortable aftermath, you know. Yo, people, like, share, subscribe, see? Yeah man, else you not get no Easter bun and a cheese, you see? Yeah man, but people, big up on yourself, you don't know. Yo, people, Alkaline, come do it again. You understand? And you to show them to look here. No matter how no hate or no fight, uno no hating and all of these things, make them greatness and the history are create. Look how the man go shell down UK. Jano. Have the people them sing like all together sing.
Alright, then. Alright, then.
Yo, me I tell the people, me I tell you. It's a great look for the culture, this me I tell the people. You see what I try to say? Me I tell you it's a great look. You see it? Great look for the artist. You see me? Yeah man, it's a great look man. You see it? The youth sold out OVO Arena by himself. You see it? Him own a show. What you want more than this? You see it? The people them are sing. You see me? Because imagine
I need you to subscribe.
just blackball the man every little thing people. See it? And for the youth come do this. Remember you know, this are the same youth of them say fall off, you know. You see me? Same youth of them say fall off. So this I show them up now. You see, because them feel like say some people alone can have solo shows. You see it? Them feel like say some people can have solo shows. You see it? But remember say, remember you know, Foota did forward out with you. You see me? And make some talk. But look what Foota have to say.
But me still not satisfied with the culture yet. Me want the culture to be able to do this without nobody going to prison. But
Yeah, we just watch a video there. People, Foota say, yo, we want dancehall artists can sold out arena without them if I go to prison. And they look like, me don't know, I look like God. Work it out. If Alkaline come show them, say, look here, it can go on without going to prison. You understand? So, when we hear some people talk, I may say, yo, Jano, it's like them forgot. You see me? Because solo shows are going long time, people. Long time solo shows are going. It's just that them just want to highlight a man thing. Feel like say him alone I do it. You see it, but Alkaline come expose the industry. If you say, yo, him alone. Remember, you know, and a one bag of artists, you know, a two artists on the show, you know. And them youth are good artists them, but them still young in the game. Them not really a pull no heavyweight yet. You see what I try to say? So you know, say, when Alkaline first post up him flyer from about around November last year, him alone depend it. See? Him alone. You see me? Coming up to this year, February now, them Japan, the two artists, Armani and Roger Wild. You see it? So, Alkaline show them, say, look here. But I feel like something light. You understand? A heavyweight man I push over here, so. You see me? Yeah, man. They do get him plaque, everything. You see it? The show was a great success. If you ask some people who go there, they must say you want a best concert them ever go. You see me? Like, yo, the whole arena sing, people, me I tell you. The whole arena sing. You see it? Alkaline, for sure, you. All one at the time, Alkaline, I'll drop him mic. And them still are sing. Alkaline, Alkaline a craftsman, so he might go do him like a thing and way. You know him stay ready. You see me? So people, man dropping mic and people still a sing and all of them look something, you see me? You don't know it's real impact of music and everything, so it's a great look. I'm not lie for the youth. Alkaline about 30, 31 and the man have a huge catalog, the man a sing and a be hits, man. People must sing it out and everything. You see me? Anybody will go to show there and say the show no shot, them bad man, I tell you. You see me? Them bad man. Yeah. So people, it's a great look for the artist. Is it great look? Fight that youth there.
I need you to subscribe.
Them send how much your artists for this him and all of them look for something. You see it? Yeah, one bag of artists them send for this the youth. And look here. How much of them will go after Alkaline? I do now. How much of them I do that? You see it? How much of them I do that? What Alkaline I do? None of them not do it. You see it? None of them not do that. Because right now, Mr. People, man, them fight the youth. You see me? And the youth keep himself to himself, the youth are doing own a thing, the youth in the media and all of these things. You see me? The youth now do no one bag of interview and all of them look some of the people. You see me? Them fight the youth for no reason. Because the youth are doing own a team and building own a team and all of them look something there, you understand? And it's a great look for the youth come do this at UK. You understand? It's a great look with him own show. Remember, this a youth own show, So say that's arena they were full, and them own fans. They might have other fans who go there, but them still rate Alkaline. So them still go there, see him, we forgot take him in and all of them look something to people. You know what I'm trying to say? So some people go forward and talk one bag of thing. You see me? Cause you have all a brother in Gangul, me I tell you. He might tell you what really are going on. And him know the industry still. I'm experience it, but look what I'm say so.
So Alkaline sell off Wembley. It's a sold out crowd. You don't need to put some respect on a youth name now, You don't need to show Alkaline some respect. As a young youth, him do it. It's a packed crowd. And him do it off his own. A Gangul him name. I mean, he's not the typical bad mind artist. If an artist put in them work, me I go big you up. Me no like artists who lazy musically and bad mind. Anytime you see me fight somebody, them have to fight me. And when me fight you, you're in trouble. Cause me get a bag of fight. But me not believe in a fighting people. And me so no fight Alkaline hard boy, And the youth hold him one. And then do it. Alkaline, big up yourself. Me remember one time 3/4 industry sing song boy and I disrespect you. Me and one of the artists them will never sing a song boy. Cause me not believe in a fighting people. You never do me nothing, so we go fight you for. Me not play them game there. The people them hungry for dancehall again. The world need dancehall. So all that.
Alright. You hear the man I say? You would forget him flowers. And him steady and see how much artists will go after the youth. And him say, him never go after the youth or try this the youth. More for sure, The man him say now the whole industry for try this the youth, And them fail. You see me? And this a man I say, him Alkaline have nothing. So him not really have nothing for say or for try this the youth or whatsoever. Is what I try to say. So when you hear them talk, you see it, the youth are them own a thing and him do it without no social media and everything. Them all know this. You see me? Some of them even shake, me I tell you, some of them even shake up. Some of them vex. Them never want to see youth sold out, no shows. You understand? Yeah. All when the youth sold out show, you have other people forward out and I say, one day, a cheap ticket and way. Let me tell you this, if fan support your show, it no matter the cost. Because they talk about ticket and this and that, right? Remember, say the high ticket them, enough people still a pay for them ticket right now. Some of them a pay a payment plan. Enough of them can't pay cash one time. You understand? Right now, some of them are after pay. Klarna and Affirm. You understand? So when you hear them attack people about $50, all for them ticket what them a buy, for all 1,700 and one bag of thing. A payment plan them depend. Enough of them a pay after the show. Right now. You understand? So some talk about $50.
I need you to subscribe.
Them have a payment plan a pay down for that right now. You understand? So once a fans, it no matter the ticket cost. Once a fan take them effort to left them family or left them home for come see an artist, them could have them yard or watch it on TV or whatever. Once they made the effort for come out and do that is a still good look for the artist. You understand? No matter which artist, once them fans come out and support them, is a win for the artist because them go to them way for come see the artist, left them family behind. You understand? So it no matter about no cost or whatsoever, I still support. You see me? I still support. You have people who are high in demand right now. You understand? Where when price drop them will do it, but not everybody can pay for that or whatsoever. They have to go up on payment plan, or them go up on Klarna with them pay after the show or whatsoever. You know what I'm trying to people? So it don't matter. That a lame excuse for fans support them artists. You see me? Lame excuse that. You see me? But it's a good look for Alkaline. Good look for the culture. It's not an everyday thing where you see an artist sold out an arena or sold out a stadium. You understand? And facilities like a youth, young brother, yeah, Alkaline come do this by himself. It's a great look, people. You see me? It's a very great look. You see it? And it's not like the youth in the media do this and do that and him back and forth with nobody or whatsoever. And I do this. It's a great look. You see me? But this are the thing. People, look where Foota if you say, because one thing with Foota and I'm gonna talk in truth, you know. You see me? And this a film opinion. You see me? Enough people now gonna like it and all of them look something there. But are the facts. You see me? So people, look where Foota say after Alkaline show.
Tappinets. So when Alka come do, Alka come level the playing field. You understand me I say? Alka come level the playing field and show say, yo, me, when I go to prison, now I go through an atrocity and a bag of drama, pull out crazy people too. So, me love it. Remember me and Alka and a friend. This is not a friend reasoning. Me not chat to Alkaline, Alkaline not chat to me. This is not a friend thing. This is a logic, sir. So if you ask me, I understand you want the truth, I may have to go into the truth. If you ask me, me give Alkaline way more props to that crowd that when pull out in the way how him do it. Let me repeat myself, because I'm not talking with water in my mouth. Me give Alkaline way more props for that crowd that when pull out for the way how him do it. Him not have none of the extra benefits. Him not get no sympathy. Crowd pull out. Him not get Jesus. A long time we not see him and him come now. The man free now. The man free now. Yo, we give him that strength there. Would you get that? And Cartel get that. The man there, Alka there road. We not see Alka. Alka no a girl drama. Alka no angel. No see them. No other woman. A bill him fan base and I keep him at. Him not have no artists. 10 artists like how Killer would have 10 artists. I say Bounty Killer, Cartel have a next 10. I say Cartel. Alka not have that. You understand me I say? Him don't have that. Him name that depend no news with no crime and no criminal thing, nothing nah go on, no bad press, no, cause them thing that help build a fan base in that. You understand? Them thing that help build a fan base. Him not have none of that go on for him. So what me want to ask now, cause the people might issue out king thing and God thing easily now, right? So what we are gonna say now? Alka the king? And that more I ask, you know. So now that's Alka.
When I just see people, I tell you. See there? The man I say, yo, when did I talk about with you? About the prison thing and rare. The man say, yo, see somebody come do it. And the man say, yo, the man do it without the heavy weight and this and that and, you understand? The bag of media drama and all of them, some of them do it. You understand? And you forget him flowers. But me tell you with Alkaline now. Alkaline are really meds. The haters are who flowers are rare, you understand? The man I put in the work. You see me? The man I put in the work. I'm going to tell you people, you see that youth, wait man. Them are going to see greatness. I tell you, Just wait. Them are go see good. Yo, me say that youth I go dominate dancehall.
Alright, then. Take it up. You can't do it all without it. Here we go, go break the very day. Okay. And then we'll see how we are like this people. Where you go? Where you go? What do you want to make up there? Come up here. What do you think we can say? Come up here. Superb complex. Signal! Hey!
Right across the board. Me I take something with a youth I go create, man. You understand? You see some of the time they maybe left people, you know, zine and now watch. But you see what a youth I do a UK, it stir up something, you know. You see it? Because the industry not too highlight Alkaline, you know. You see them highlight some other artists because him kinda in a system by himself. You see me? So when them say that youth do this, enough of them I say, yo, this a go on, Jano. You see me? How him do this? But it show you. Them always say, don't watch it nice in the market, watch your sales. So all of them a chat Ray. See Alkaline do the sales right now. Him not watching nice in the market. You see me? The youth are doing thing big. Much 1,000 people, 12,500 to 1,500. You see me? Cause CT that 12,500. And you don't know in the standing area and more thousands less. You understand? So maybe about 15k. So you see me? So it's a good look for your artist do this by himself. You see me? Yeah. Do this by himself. You see it? So and the youth dominate. The people them satisfied for the time when never go UK. You see it? Yeah man, the people them satisfied, man. You see it? Yeah man, the people them satisfied because I tell the people them vice gone. You see the people them vice gone, people. They must sing out and everything. You see it? Yeah man, people them must sing out, man. All of the hits them and everything. You see me? So some of the time when you would hear some people attack and try for bad mind the youth and every little thing, you see me? Because I'm tell you, enough of them are just bad mind Alkaline, you know. But I'm tell you people, see what the youth are going to do? They might go want bad mind and can't bad mind. Me I tell you, wait. You understand? Wait, man. Wait till the youth turn up his scheme. You see me? Wait till the youth turn up his scheme. You see me? Because I hear them and I try to fight on the youth and the youth thing get stronger. Me I tell you, the youth thing get stronger. You see it? And the man fans them come out, right out. And it's a great look for the culture. You understand? Great look. And for your youth. And enough of them attack. And them know say yo, Alkaline carry this by himself. Them know. You understand? Because yo, the people out there so. People will speak up like a bubble gum. Speak you like a bubble gum. You see me?
I need you to subscribe.
And doing thing. Because him can't trust none of them. You understand? So them can't say him beg them and him do this to them and Ray and you understand? And name get caught up. But you don't want a drama with him name. Him good with the haters already with him name. But him don't want a drama, no woman drama, no this, no that, no Ray. You understand? The youth are doing thing. I'm have to big up the youth too. I'm rate how the youth move militant. I saw a G for move. Keep him life private. And do him thing, put in the work. Make people see the work where you put in at that. We don't want to see no bag of drama and all of them because someday. Wait. Man do him job and just get the hell out of here. See man just come shell down UK and just cut. You understand? Gone back in him planet. You see it? Gone back at space. I saw the man they work. Man just go up on the stage, deal with it, cut back gone at space. You understand? Yeah. Man is a superstar. Is a, you understand? Superstar, legend, giant in a game. You see it? Yeah man, no matter what them talk, enough of the artists them where them a push up. See, enough of the artists where them a push up people. Enough of them nah do what Alkaline do. Enough of them nah do it. I tell you. Enough of them nah do it, people. You understand? Enough of them now do it. Because while them a watch a man thing and them a get a little strength and all of them look something. So them don't know if they build them thing and create them thing. You see me? And I think you think them see no yet. Wait, just wait. Wait till the youth shake. You think a joke. You see how when the youth reach all Jamaica? You go hear about it. That may I tell you, I go hear about it. You see it? But it's a great look for the culture. You see me? It's a great look for the culture, people. I'm not like great look. You see me? Because for the youth to do this, I don't want a normal thing. You see it? Yeah, man, I don't want a normal thing, man. It's a good look. You see it? Because if you come do this by himself and have the people that must sing, so yo, me I tell you, yo, me say people that sing from east to east. You understand? Yeah, man. From east to east, people that must sing, man. I tell you. I don't want a normal thing, people. You see it? Alkaline this. You see it? Him say, yo, if I'm not the youngest, I'm the baddest. You see it? Yeah, man. You would have do him thing and if you big him up and give him flowers, man. You see it? Because him a do it and nobody help him or whatsoever. You see it? Yeah, man. But, people, you don't know, you know. Big up everybody, you know. This is my aftermath and all of these things. You see me? Yeah, man. Bless up everyone. Happy holidays. You see me? Media facts. That is it.